Beautiful weather. Just absolutely loving it. Here in central Indiana, this time of year, you never know what it's going to do. Oh, neighborhood over, some sleet or hail, whatever it was. I think in the winter you call it sleet, in the summer you call it hail, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, get here, little drizzle, and then more of this wintry mix. And I'm here to look at a leak. And the frustration is because I was here last year, July, August, I think. I just looked up my notes. I was like, this looks familiar. Got a request from somebody to come out and look at this because it's leaking. And we've been here before. We need to fix it. Look through my file and my notes. Yeah, I was here. I said it's old. It needs replaced. I quoted a pricey repair because it's not worth it and a replacement. We never got contacted. We didn't do the repair. And I want to show you and bring you along what somebody did. I don't know what they built for it, but I can't believe what they did. So we're just going to look at it. Just set the ladder up right here. And I see this. By the way, a lot of what I noted was nail pops, low nails, bad install. But look at this. Classic black color. It's wet now. It's hard to see. And a sticky tape looking substance here. And that's what these people did throughout where you see this. Now that it's wet, hard to see. Look at that. Eyesore. I mean, yeah, it's an old roof, but how do you do that and get away with it and bill for it? They just put like, I almost said a bad word. A pretty bad word just about came out of my mouth. I try to keep this channel clean. How do you just put electrical tape on the roof? Or maybe it was some sort of electrical tape covered bugle tape, or probably that little repair stuff they recommend for rubber roofs. And then top it off with a little decorative black flex seal and get away with billing for it. I get it, if you're BDR, you can do this, get away from it with it and make a video, and yeah, but oh my God. Psh, 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 psh. Oh my God, is this seriously a repair? Am I hallucinating? Oh my God. More damage to the roof than they actually did anything good. Wow. It's just, how can they do this and just be like, yeah, I did a good repair. I feel good at myself. I'm a skilled guy. I know what I'm talking about. It's a perfect repair. Your problems are solved. Your roof is going to last another gazillion years. Look at this one right here. All right. You know, I just... Good, check. $15 for that little bit right there, or whatever. Fill in the blank. But did it do anything with that? No. I mean, come on, people. You can't have this and just put a little spray of Flex Seal over and call it good. That should never been done from the original install. You know, so I'm a big YouTube fan. I do this for you guys. I also use YouTube to learn myself. YouTubeverse. Use it with some common sense. You can learn about anything. And on my feed, something pops up about a welder. And it caught my eye, so I played the video, and I was scrolling through the comments section. And how does this relate to a roofer? Just bear with me here a minute. So, guy comments. Guy posts a job request to be filled for a welding position. $25 to $55 an hour. Guy comes in, he welds on this test weld for his interview. One is a horrible, shitty weld. Like I said, a drunk high schooler, stoned high schooler did, right? The other side was a perfect, skilled, like, welder's weld. And the guy's like, wait, I'm just like, I don't understand. He's like, well, the post said $25 to $55 an hour. He's like, see, sir, the line on the left, that's a $25 an hour area. And the line on the right, that's the $55 an hour area. Now, here's how it ties into roofing. Not skilled. The guy that's skilled that knows, like, hey, this roof is old. I know the neighborhood. This roof is the original roof. It's over 20 years old, 25 years old. It's a 20-year shingle. Hey, Mr. Obvious, it's time to be replaced. That's what I told him. Can it be repaired by all time? Yes, but you need a plan for a roof. Here's the roof replacement estimate. And now we get this, and then I get called out to fix a leak that they think I did. I didn't even touch it. They need to go back, look at their notes, and see that I didn't do it. Somebody else did. By the way, they're out of the money, and this is a horrible $20 an hour weld job. It's not even worth that. I mean, let's take another pan. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. It's just sticks out like a sore thumb. I think I need to just become a snake sales oil guy, whatever, a conny, scammy Yep, you're fixed. Bill them. I wouldn't sleep good at night. Why I share what I do here with you guys, to just learn a little bit, just giving my part back to YouTube. If you're a homeowner looking at getting quotes, the cheap guy may not always be the best. And there's a big varying, I'm frustrated. I'm about to send these people a message and be like, yeah, you owe me for this stop. This isn't free. I'm tired of coming, giving estimates and evaluations and not charging for it. And then you never use me and probably send my estimates over to other people and get it done cheaper. And then you want me to come back and fix issues. Probably time to sever that tie. Or you just start paying up. Yeah, I'm frustrated. Alright. And for those of you, Flex Seal is not a good repair thing, alright? You may see it advertised spraying a screen and they make a boat out of it. Movie magic. Until next time, we'll see you then.